How to list business on Tripadvisor. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can list business on Tripadvisor. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Tripadvisor, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Tripadvisor, it is a major online travel platform that holds over 1 billion reviews and opinions for approximately 8 million businesses, in which it serves as a tool for travelers to discover and book accommodations, increasing exposure for property owners to a global audience of potential guests. And this platform also provides a space for guests to leave reviews and ratings, offering businesses valuable feedback to improve their services, build a strong reputation, and foster trust with future guests. And Tripadvisor also offers various tools and services to help property owners manage and promote their properties. And to ensure the platform remains useful, reviewers are encouraged to write truthful and constructive reviews, creating an engaging and successful listing involving registering on Tripadvisor, creating a business profile, adding property details, writing an engaging description, and uploading high-quality photos. But now to start listing your businesses, all you need to do from here is to simply go to the footer section of this website, and under this Do Business With Us, just click this Owners option. Upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here, and all you need to do is to simply enter here your business name to claim your listing. And as you can see, upon entering here your business name, make sure to have a business name that is unique or not yet listed in this platform. For example, I'm going to enter here this name, Max Resto, and upon clicking this one, you'll be directed in here, in which the next thing that you need to do is to fill out the required information under this location details. All you need to do is simply enter here the name of the business. For example, I'm going to enter Max Resto. And which category best describe this place? I'm going to choose restaurant. And what kind of place is this? Let's say I'm going to enter here American. And you could also add something else in here, such as if you own a tour company or if you own a vacation rental. But in this option, I'm just going to enter or fill out the required information instead of clicking any of this in here. Now under this address section, all you need to do is to simply enter here your address. You can type here manually, such as by entering here the address, street, the postal code, city, town, country, and many more. For example, I'm going to enter the city, New York City, in here, and upon clicking the result, it will show us on this map on the right side panel, where we can start adjusting the pin location of our exact business location in here. So you can simply navigate this one by clicking on it and dragging on the kind of map in here. And if you're not done, just click the save button, and below you can also click this yes, I am representative of this place by checking the boxes if you are the owner or employee or official representative of the place. And after that, just click save and continue button below here, and upon clicking on it, all you need to do is to simply sign in your account on Tripadvisor, or you can also continue using your Google account or email address in here. And after signing in, you will now be able to be directed on this step 2, which is conduct and hours. You can also simply enter here your website where our visitors or your customer can visit, or you could also enter here your official phone number for your business, where your customer can call if they want to order a food from your restaurant, and even your email address in here for the customer to contact you via email. But all of those are just optional. But moving on to this hours section, you can simply select here a day to adjust operating hours, or just customize in here when is your business open for this exact time. For example, I'm going to enter here or navigate to change the time that we are open at this restaurant for exactly 8 a.m. in the morning until 9 p.m. And after that, you could also click the save hours if you want to. Now, as you can see, we have now successfully saved the hours, where you could also enter here the date if this place hasn't opened yet. But at this point, I'm just going to click the submit button, and it will show you that you have now successfully added your place in here. And as you can see, it says here that once it's live, they'll email you with instructions to claim your listing. So all you need to do is to wait for their email confirming all of the details that they enter on your application on submitting or listing your place business. But now, aside from restaurant, you could also add here a business hotel by clicking once again this add place button. And after that, all you need to do is simply enter here once again all of the details, including the name, such as, for example, I'm going to enter here the name of this hotel, which is Annexo Hotel. And below, you would also select the category to describe your place. And I'm going to use accommodation. And which accommodation type best describes this property, I'm going to choose hotel. And after that, you would also enter here your address manually or simply entering here the whole address. And I'm going to choose to enter, for example, here, San Fernando. And below it will show you the result. So by clicking the result below, you can start pinning the location or adjusting here. Now as you can see, it is still currently being adjusted. And if you're now done, just click this yes, I am a representative of this place, which indicate that you are the owner, employee, or an official representative of the place. Then click save and continue button to proceed. And after that, we will now be able to be directed in here. Under this contact info, all you need to do is to simply fill out this required information, including the website of the place or the hotel where customer can visit or even book the reservation in here, or even your phone number or email address. And after that, or after uploading all of those information, you have now successfully added here your place. Now aside from that, if you go back once again on this page, you'd also select here on the top right corner your preferred languages and country to choose your preferred target audience in here. So make sure to also choose your preferred region and country in here. But going back to this page once again, by returning to our home page, it will show us in here what the Tripadvisor looks like. So this is basically what the customer will see when they try to search, for example, New York. They will be able to see here all the result from New York or opportunities that they can do or some of the activities. If you, for example, the destination, the hotel, the restaurant, and any other kind of amenities in here. But all of these are just random or has no corresponding categories. But to search for specific kind of categories, for example, we're looking for hotels, can you search in here the hotel that you prefer for a specific country, region, or even a place in here. For example, I'm going to enter Las Piñas. Below it will show us the result. And from here, this is basically what the customer will see when they try to check in. All they need to do is to simply enter here or select the best hotel that they want and book or select their dates in here. Well, they could also navigate on the website panel the property types, amenities, distance form, and other kind of category that they can sort the result in here. And as you can see, it also has corresponding prices with different kind of reviews and also star rating in here. So basically in here, creating an engaging and successful listing involves registering on Tripadvisor, creating a business profile, adding a property details, writing an engaging description, and uploading high-quality photos, which is also essential to regularly update the listing with current information and high-quality images. However, you will only be able to do that once you have been approved based on the information that you just entered earlier, and all you need to do is wait for your email inboxes to respond by the Tripadvisor. And once you get approved, you'll be able to add more details and also high-quality images, including the price also, descriptions, and other unique features that your place businesses can offer. But overall, that is just basically how to list business on Tripadvisor. Thank you.